What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going over XCN, which is down 3% at 2 cents. This is the pivotal moment. We do not want to break below 2 cents. If we break below 2 cents, just get out. Just no, I'm just kidding. But we really don't want to break below 2 cents here, man. It's a very, very critical support area. We wicked slightly below it here. No, we actually wicked the 2 cents even there. But we're going to go over the technicals on this thing. So with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, guys. So as you can see, we are launching our Solana coin tomorrow. The mint is live for it. So if you want to secure your supply early, you can check the links in the description and mint one of those NFTs for $10 and you're guaranteed airdrop of Fred. So let's get into XCN. Indicators right now, I mean, we're still reset, but unfortunately we had a fake out here on the stock RSI. So we're starting to tail back down. Blue is below orange, which is technically bearish. The WTX is continuing to fall. We did unfortunately put in a lower low, which is technically bearish as well. So the overall momentum for XCN right now is bearish. It is. And the only thing that's really holding us up right now is that round number of 2 cents. If I draw a horizontal line at 2 cents, you can see that this is the area of confluence around here. That you wick down to it on the 12th of February before you saw a decent reversal to the upside and then get rejected off the 786. So let's keep a very close eye on the 2 cent range, guys. We can't break below it. If you break below it, there's a good chance you're probably going down to 1.3, which is absolutely disgusting. If you ask me, from where we're currently at, that's approximately a 31% correction. So hopefully that's not the case right there. If we want to move the goalpost a little bit and just go off these wicks, we actually can still draw a pennant. We're actually, yeah, it actually touches it 4 times. Wick right there, wick right there, wick right there, wick right there, followed by the downtrend. So technically we can go like this and move the goalpost and say, hey, we are still within this pennant pattern. And technically the 2 cents should be the bottom and we should be rallying back up to 2.3. So I'm going to keep this drawn here. This is our last chance for a decent sized rally. I mean, the indicators aren't overbought, guys. It's not like we are overbought. We're going to see a flash crash. The market's kind of bleeding out, but the MACD still is losing its bearish momentum. So we're still bullish here on the MACD. And like we mentioned in every single video, this is the largest bearish momentum you've ever had on the MACD, and it's starting to work its way bullish. And normally after the largest bearish comes a very, very large bullish movement to the upside. And with that, like I mentioned, a lot of the indicators are reset. We did bounce off a local bottom here on the RSI. I think just like the WTX, we did break that uptrend as well. We've actually back tested it as resistance, and the resistance held. So the RSI is continuing to fall. So right now the big test is 2 cents. We do not want to break below that. We do not want to close below that, because I know every time I say a price, people are like, oh, it fell below that. Well, did it maintain it? We don't want to have a candle close below 2 cents for this, guys. Otherwise, it's gonna be bad news bears. If we look at the short term is actually not looking too terrible. You actually did already hit that 2 cent support right there, and we're starting to work our way back up. So in the meantime, I do think there's a chance that we're heading back up the 2223 to test that downtrend resistance area one more time. And then, we mentioned, on the longer term, the 3-day is pretty much reset right here on the stock RSI. You can see we bottomed out in the blue starting to flatline there. So that's actually really, really good. We want to see that 3-day get over, because when the longer term time frames flip bullish, that's when the bullish momentum can continue for a long time. So nonetheless, guys, we still are within this pennant pattern. This is just what we're going to be maintaining, what we're going to be watching. I know I've repeated everything a million times, but all we can do is take it day by day. And in the meantime, we just got to battle and stay above that 2 cents. That's the big thing. We got to stay above that 2 cents for Onyxcoin, guys. So keep an eye on that. If anything, this could be the play right here, and then a bounce back up. Then hopefully that next attempt's the one that actually smashes out of here. So fingers crossed. The indicators aren't overbought. They're actually pretty reset. So if anything, we don't have that much more down momentum to go unless we break below 2 cents. You break below 2 cents, and you could see a really quick capitulation down to 1.3. But I don't think that's gonna be the case, guys. I don't. I think this is it. Boom, 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 boom. something like that, and then we can finally rally out of here and go up to the 1618 at 10 cents. So fingers crossed. I'll keep you guys updated. With that, none of this is financial advice, and if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.